The Rolling Suitcase, Invention, Gender, and Acceptance. The Rolling Suitcase, Invention.
The invention of the wheeled suitcase addressed the problem of travelers struggling with heavy luggage, particularly during a boom in commercial air travel. In 1970, Bernard Sadow, while grappling with his bags at an airport, observed a porter using a wheeled luggage rack. This sparked the idea of attaching wheels directly to suitcases. Sadow's initial solution involved attaching 4 casters to the bottom of a suitcase, and though not sleek, his prototype made travel less painful. He received a U.S. patent for rolling luggage in 1972.
The Rolling Suitcase, Gender Stereotypes.
However, the widespread adoption of wheeled suitcases faced significant challenges due to gender stereotypes. The prevailing view was that men would not use rolling luggage as it was considered unmanly. Additionally, it was assumed that women who had no masculinity to prove would always travel with a man who would carry their bags. As a result, the industry didn't initially see commercial potential for rolling suitcases. Sadow faced resistance, with stores initially rejecting his invention until Macy's eventually took a chance.
The Rolling Suitcase, Acceptance.
The design evolved further in 1987 when Robert Plath, an airline pilot, invented the rollaboard suitcase. Plath's innovation involved turning the suitcase on its side and adding a retractable handle, which made the suitcase easier to maneuver. This design initially gained popularity among airline personnel. By the 1980s, more women were traveling alone, increasing the demand for easier-to-manage luggage. Over time, the wheeled suitcase became a common travel accessory, liberating travelers, particularly women and older people, from the burden of carrying heavy luggage. The story of the wheeled suitcase highlights how social acceptance and gender norms can influence the adoption of even seemingly obvious inventions.
Đây là những cột mốc phát triển của vali kéo dành cho các bạn muốn tìm hiểu thêm. Nếu các bạn thấy video hữu ích và muốn khám phá thêm nhiều câu chuyện thú vị khác, đừng quên nhấn like để ủng hộ team, bấm subscribe và chuông thông báo để không bỏ lỡ các video tiếp theo, chia sẻ cho bạn bè cùng xem. Đây là Người làng English, kênh kiến thức tiếng Anh dành cho người Việt. Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi.